The courses for Power Prep Week are live on shop.byju's.com. The moment you log in, आपको दिखेगा कुछ इस तरह का. Here we are. You click on this, you can see there are 3 courses, grade 10th, grade 8th and grade 9th. For example, if I click on class 8, by the way, 2400, it's for 999 right now. So this is how you will see all the details. आपको मिल जाएगा कितने सेशन होने वाले हैं, क्या डिटेल्स हैं उनकी, and then if you click on buy now, the moment you click on buy now, in your cart you will get the course. In addition to that, आपको मिल जाएगा एक chapter notes and question bank PDF का पूरा package for grade 8. कुछ नहीं करना है, go to checkout and then you will be enrolled. 24 hours के अंदर आपको एक activation mail आएगा जिसके अंदर सारी details मिल जाएंगी, and then you'll be added to a Telegram group which we mentioned to you before. So guys, we hope to see you in this Power Prep Week. Let's prepare the way we are supposed to do it for your final exams. See you there.